In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the spacing between letters in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. By default, the spacing between letters in Word looks something like this. This is what they refer to as normal. There are two other options, condensed and expanded. To change the spacing, select the text you wish to change, press Ctrl A or click and drag, then go to font and then click on this downward arrow. Select it once. From here, we need to select advanced. Then look for spacing, click on the downward arrow. Currently it's set to normal. We've got expanded, which of course creates a larger space between the letters, and then click OK. You'll notice straight away that there are much larger spaces between each letter. To change it to condense, which is reducing the space, keep it selected, click on the downward arrow again, go to advanced, click on the downward option, and we're going to click on condense, which of course will reduce the space between the letters. Then click OK, and that reduces the space quite significantly. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you learn more about how to change the spacing between lines and paragraph, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.